For our next song, it's called Paulit-Ulit. Cue, let's go!
Guys, paano na to? May basa na ba ako? Eh, paano kung pagating na siya? It's D-I-O-N-E. Di alam anong gagawin, di ko maamin.
Ba't di mo maamin?
Paano ba sasabihin?
Well, let me say this, hey!
I've loved you ever since we met, yeah. But I don't know if I should tell you.
I'd rather have daydreaming that you're mine. Is that wrong? Should I tell you? No, I shouldn't.
Don't know what to say, think about you every day. You and I walking into our baby, I always thought that's a fine, get to now, wishing you